there, let's understand how do plants drink water. For this experiment, we will be mixing few drops of food colors into these glasses. Then we take two different plants and cut few centimeters off the ends. After this, let's place the plants in each of these glasses and we weigh. Wow! Do you notice the color change on the top of these plants? So this change indicates that the water is moving upward in plants. And the question that arises is how the water is moving upwards. Xylem is a type of tissue that helps in the transportation of water. Xylem tissues are narrow, hollow and elongated and help in the transportation of water and minerals. Here are the before and after pictures of the experiment. Do answer the question in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe and follow us for more.